What is going on, guys? So today I got a video about the new filter in the Steam community market. So you can see here there is a beta feature. This is a new beta filter. Like normally the filters used to look like this. The advanced options, you would be able to pick everything at once. You can select it all. You don't have to pick one thing and then another thing shows. Like for example, you can pick like an op. You can come down here and you can pick like a blue or red or pink or anything else, like the quality of skin. You know, I'm showing this for CS2, but you can look at Dota, you can look at Half-Life. There's a few other, I mean, there's quite a few other games on the community market, but CS2, one of the most popular. So let's go back to the new filters. So for example, you saw I was picking blue skins, right, from the AK. You can see it keeps it automatically when I come back to the new filter, but let's actually pick it from scratch. So let's say I want to look at, I don't know, red Negev skins. So you can click machine gun and it looks at all the machine guns, which is not very useful. You can click the drop down and actually pick something from the game. So, okay, we got Negevs. You see, change the thumbnail there. You can pick factory new, minimal wear, field tested, whatever. Let's pick min wear. And then we can pick the actual rarity of the skin. So there's not going to be a gold Negev. I'm sure there might be one red one. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, there's no red ones. Let's just take a look at blue ones then if it's going to be annoying about it. Yeah, alright, so there's some blue Negevs. So like that's kind of how you use this one. You want to pick the weapon first and then pick all the other stuff after. So not like the other one where you can just pick like all blue skins, doesn't have to pick a weapon. You have to choose something first. So like you come in here, you choose the karambit. Obviously karambits are only gold, right? So you're not going to have like a blue, pink, or red, or I guess it is red, gold, whatever, but you can't choose like the rarity. It's just rare, you know? So you can look at battle scarred karambits, for example. There's that. Or we can take a look at a container. So if we take a look at a container and we choose this will just load all the cases, sticker capsules. Doesn't let you pick like a specific one for some reason, but whatever. Reset filters. Now we can choose like a sticker collection over here, sticker type, player autograph. So decent for stickers. Gloves though, I do give them some criticism on the gloves because the knives, it lets you pick the knives. I guess gloves are just one thing. They're not like different style of gloves, but I mean, this is not a useful filter if you're searching for gloves. So you can like pick min-wear gloves, I guess. They're not going to be stat track or anything, but it's just going to show you everything, you know? I mean, you can look like a price range if you want. So I don't know, we can say like gloves that are under what? 125, do these exist? Oh, look at that, there's some garbage gloves underneath that. There you go, that's the market crash for you. You can see all the filters that get applied up here, so you can delete one of these, for example. It clears it, and then when you go back in here, you'll see it actually got rid of the filter we picked for the price. So like another thing we can get rid of, let's get rid of minimal wear. All right, and now you can see you got rid of the exterior here. So yeah, that's kind of how the new filter works. Again, if you want to switch back to the old one, you can click that, switch to old filters. You can come in here, pick a specific collection, which is an advantage to this old filter. And you can just come in here and just, I don't know, I want to just look at red skins. I don't want to pick a weapon or something, or look at gold skins. All right, search. Oh, well, I got the other filters still, but yeah, so there's the only gold quality thing, I guess, is the Howl sticker, or the M44 Howl. Even though knives are technically golds, they're not exactly. They still pop up as coverts, but yeah, I mean, that is the filter, guys. Up to you, whichever one you want to pick. This one, in my opinion, the old one gives you more options still and more flexibility of what you want to pick, because you just get all the options and you can select multiple things, you know. Field tested, minimal wear. Like, sure, the other filter lets you do that too, but you have to pick a weapon first. And for this one, it gives you more options. Like, you can even pick a pro player, sticker collection. It let me do that, but like a tournament, a team, type, music kit. Like, take a look at all this. Like, it's just, there's just more in this filter. So my opinion, still use the old one. But if it gets annoying for you and you don't find yourself using all the old one, like capabilities, you can use this new one. Like, the UI is definitely cleaner, I'll give it that. So I think that's enough rambling. That is the new filter in the Steam community market, guys. That's how you use it. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.